To make chicken lollipop, you need chicken wings. Slit the wings as shown in the video. Now your lollipop is ready. Now you need to marinate the lollipop. For the marination, you need the item which is shown in the video. Ginger garlic paste, soya sauce, tomato sauce, vinegar, salt, cornstarch, flour, black pepper, red chili and Szechuan sauce. Now let's marinate the lollipop. First we will add black pepper, two pinch of black pepper, then 2 pinch of red chili. Depends on how hot you need it. Then we'll add Szechuan sauce in it. After that, we will add ginger garlic paste. You can add more ginger in it. Then we will add tomato sauce, then soya sauce, after that we'll add cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 or 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. The equation of cornstarch and flour should be equal. Now we are adding flour on it, then salt as per the taste. Now let's make the marinations and we'll mix it. Mix all the items. Coat your lollipop with the marination as shown in the video. Keep your marinated chicken for at least 30 to 50 minutes before frying. Now let's fry the lollipop, and always keep in mind that your flame should be low, otherwise your chicken will burn quickly from outside. You have to fry your lollipop until it's become golden brown. Now your lollipop is ready. Let's prepare the sauce. Put oil in a wok. Add ginger garlic paste, black sauce, Szechuan sauce and stir it well. You can also add some water in it and stir it well. Now your sauce is ready. Now your sauce is ready. Now you can put your lollipop in it and stir it well as shown in the video. After stirring it well, you can add some sesame seed in it. Now it's ready to serve. Now your lollipop is ready and you can enjoy it with your family and your friends, and it's easy to make at home. So guys, do subscribe my channels and thank you for watching.